Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a company page on LinkedIn. Let's get started. First, you need to log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Then, you will see a tab labeled For Business at the top right corner. Click on it. Here, you'll find a variety of options. Scroll down a bit and you will come across Create a Company page at the bottom. Click on it. Once a new window opens, you will see three options. The first option is for a company. The second option is for a showcase page. The third option is for an education institution. Since we want to create a company page, select the first option. A while ago, there used to be separate options for small businesses, medium businesses, and large businesses. However, LinkedIn now has a single option for all three types of businesses. Next, enter the name of your business in the provided field. Below, you'll see a box displaying a URL. You can choose to change it if you wish. Moving on, provide the website for your business. It will ask you to begin with one of these three options. Let's select www. Here, write about the industry your business is in. For example, I'll write IT as an example. From the drop-down menu, select the size of your organization. Then, choose the type of your organization from the options available. You can add a logo to your page from here. Click on it, and you can browse your computer to upload a logo. One thing to remember is that the logo file should be in JPG, JPEG, or PNG format. No other format is supported. Next, write a tagline for your business page if you'd like. Then, tick the checkbox next to it. Finally, click on Create Page. If your account is new and you haven't added any connections, you might encounter an error. This won't be an issue if you have connections added to your account. So, now you've learned how to create a company page on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.